Welcome back to another Gavin's Painting Tips. This is number 17. I used a bunch of colors in this, but it's still a limited palette. Limited palette refers to the primary colors as the main source. Use Payne's Gray instead of blue in this one. Start by loosely blocking in with a dark tone, a little bit of turpentine. I'm basically drawing here, but with a tonal range. I add a little bit of turpentine to pull out some lights, but not too much. Since turpentine is pretty hazardous, I like to build up my tones in oil, using a little bit of linseed oil as I go. Create a local color by muting out some of the high red key and then pulling it back. With a dirty brush, I mix some of that ochre in and start pushing a background tone, which pull the highlights forward. In a painting like this, there's no room for detail. It's all about surfaces and understanding how to create the illusion of transparency based on harmony and value changes, as well as blending and using different brushes. I start hewing up some of the reflective areas to create the illusion of space, refine some of the edges. Make sure to subscribe for more tips. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.